Google Pixel 7 Pro specs leak online, and it might be a bad news for Pixel lovers, but don't worry, we also have something that would compensate that news. As the release date of the Google Pixel 7 lineup is drawing near, the leaks from the mobile carrier market are starting to show up, and these often prove to be entirely accurate. In this case, a source from a Taiwanese mobile carrier has leaked the Pixel 7 Pro specs sheet alongside that of its vanilla sibling. The Google News Telegram channel posted a purported Pixel 7 series spec sheet over the weekend, apparently coming from a follower who found it on a Taiwanese carrier's website. The sheet shows a number of new and previously leaked details. So what do the phones have in common with each other? Both Pixel 7 series phones are listed as having a Tensor G2 chipset, 128 gigs or 256 gigs of storage, an IP68 rating, face unlock, and fingerprint unlock capabilities. The two phones also look set to share a 50-megapixel main rear camera, 12-megapixel ultrawide rear camera, and a 10.8-megapixel selfie camera with 4K video support. The Pixel 7 Pro reportedly earns its moniker by virtue of a 6.7-inch QHD Plus OLED screen, LTPO, 120 Hz, 12 gigs of RAM, a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, and autofocus for the ultrawide camera. By comparison, the standard Pixel 7 looks set to offer a 6.3-inch FHD Plus OLED screen, 90 Hz, 8 gigs of RAM, no telephoto camera, and a fixed-focus ultrawide rear shooter. The gap between the standard Pixel and Pro model seems to remain with the Pixel 7 series. Interestingly enough, the Pixel 7 Pro's telephoto camera is listed as having 5x optical zoom and 30x high-resolution zoom. For what it's worth, the Pixel 6 Pro had a 48-megapixel 4x periscope zoom camera with 20x hybrid zoom. The spec sheet also lists a few camera modes to expect, with the two phones tipped to offer a so-called movie motion blur option. We're guessing this is a type of portrait video mode. Otherwise, the Pixel 7 Pro also touts a macro focus mode, which is presumably a macro mode made possible by the autofocus-enabled ultrawide camera. The two phones are also tipped to arrive with both wired and wireless fast charging support. However, this field doesn't confirm charging speeds. There is some extremely fine print here though, and we can just about make out what appears to be charging wattages here. The Pixel 6 mention is followed by 18 watt, while the Pixel 7 mention is followed by 21 watt, and the Pixel 7 Pro mention is followed by 23 watt. Are you happy with the Pixel 7's apparent charging speeds? Let me know it down in the comment section. Meanwhile, in other words, it sounds like the Pixel 7 series might not enjoy a charging speed bump over the Pixel 6 family. At least Google seems to be more upfront about charging speeds this time. The company initially implied that the Pixel 6 series charges at 30 watt before our own testing confirmed 21 watt and 23 watt speeds. Here's hoping that Google's new phones offer the ability to sustain those wattages, as we found that their old phones saw a major speed drop compared to the likes of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Meanwhile, we have a good news for Pixel buyers. Early adopters of the Google Pixel 7 series are in line for sumptuous pre-order gifts. According to a new leak, Pixel 7 buyers will get the Pixel Buds Pro, while Pixel 7 Pro early birds will receive the upcoming Pixel Watch in the UK at least. Google will launch the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro on October 6. Most major details of the premium devices as well as their pricing have leaked over the past few weeks, and new information now reveals early adopters of the devices will have a claim to spicy gifts. As revealed by Roland Quant, the Google Pixel 7 series will be available with some superb pre-order gifts in certain markets. The reliable leaker claims those who pre-order the Pixel 7 Pro will get Pixel Watch, while those who opt for the vanilla Pixel 7 will get the Pixel Buds Pro. The Pixel Watch is expected to launch alongside the Pixel 7 series on October 6 and is tipped to have an MSRP of £339. The leaker purports that these pre-order gifts are valid in the UK for certain, but it's currently unknown what other markets will get these same boons. The Google Pixel 6 series, for example, debuted with Bose 700 headphones as a pre-order gift in Europe, while early Pixel 6 adopters got the Google Pixel Buds A. The Pixel 7 series should be unveiled alongside the Pixel Watch on October 6, so it is very likely for the above to be the final specs of the market-ready Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7. So what do you guys think about the new Pixel lineup? Let me know it down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.